you're holding the flyers. What are you promoting?
I'm promoting the UK Cuban Salsa Festival from the 30th of April to the 3rd of May in the Bournemouth Pavilion.
Okay.
Bringing some of the best Cuban salsa dancers from the UK and Europe.
Okay.
And Miguel Enrique and his band are coming to play as well.
Wow. So who can we expect to see?
The artists, we have Janet Fuentes, Rafael Del Busto, we have Raida Salas and Dawis Figura coming from Italy. We have Davide Rumbarito from Italy as well. We have Damaris Fares, Farah Portela from the Cuban School of Arts.
Okay.
Who else do we have? And more artists to be confirmed.
Okay, and workshop-wise, what are we looking at?
Cuban, salsa, rueda, bachata, kizomba,
Really?
you name it,
There's going to
we'll
be
be
some
doing it.
variety.
Yeah, lots of variety, yeah. Lots of Afro-Cuban workshops, rumba as well.
And is there going to be like any other kind of music being played there at the conference?
Salsa, merengue, bachata, kizomba,
Everything.
that's what we'll be playing, yeah. All Latin music.
Alright, thanks very much.
To see you there.
Okay, let's get a shot of that then. Wow, is that Dawis and Raida?